But look at you.
Okay, we've got Mayor Sam Adams here in Portland, Oregon. We just walked away from the Civic Apps ceremony. What excited you about what you saw?
Well, it's bringing to the world knowledge of what exists in the real world, but is so often unknown.
So it's connecting, in a sense, a virtual layer, all the city data to people who are walking around with smartphones, who have web applications, who have access to web browsers, more information about how to get around, from what I can see. Transit apps, accessibility apps, even apps to go around and see trees and learn more.
Exactly. Well, in Portland, like I think most cities, when people are armed with knowledge, they make wiser choices. So that, combined with the fact we invest, like everybody invests, a lot of money in the public realm. And if people don't know about it, what good does it do? These apps, these programs, these data sets, making them public, making them interesting, mashing different kinds of data sets together means that the city is going to run smoother and people are going to enjoy living here more.
So there's, so to speak, this civic surplus that you're seeing in hackers and developers, coders, as they say when they're not working on in development in government, putting to work some of the open data that you've released. What are some of the best applications that are actually helping citizens, as you say, make better decisions?
Well, like for instance, PDX Bus. It provides the kind of information about all transit choices in a manner that is really useful for the potential transit rider, for the actual transit rider, and it allows folks to plan their day in a way where taking the transit option really is the most efficient and effective and cheapest way to get around. If you know if you know what your transit options are in a particular neighborhood, and you know exactly where the bus is or exactly where the transit, the streetcar or light rail is, and you take it, then that's good for us.
And to what extent are you seeing these releases of open data create economic value in the private sector?
Well, we are seeing folks that are single proprietorships hire folks to help them build their business, their app business, their online business with our data sets. And for us, the data has always been there. In many cases, been there for decades. So putting it to use for the public and helping people make money while they do it, we intend to be the open source capital of the nation, and this is one contribution that we can make with our data sets.
What's next?
Well, like Civic Apps, the contest tonight, what Civic Apps is about, in part providing the data, is also about sparking relationships, and relationships then lead to economic opportunities. So WebTrims, Microsoft, meets the local hacker or coder tonight at this event. Who knows what will happen. Our job is to provide the data, provide the opportunity for relationships to occur, and provide what in comparison is a tiny bit, a little bit of money, a little incentive for people to keep going. It's and it's also fun. It makes the city more interesting to live in because you actually know what's there.
Well, Mayor Adams, thank you for your time. And for people who are watching, check out civicapps.org.
You got it.
Take care.